friends. Now I'm going to discuss about the difference between char and varchar data types in SQL. So for that, I have already created a table that is employee details, and it includes columns are employee ID and employee name. So for this employee ID, I have taken the data type as char of 5, and next coming to this employee name, I have taken the data type as varchar of 10. So in the case of employee ID, the length of the employee ID should be maximum of 5 characters, and less than that also it is accepted. But and also next coming to this employee name, the length of employee name, it should be consist of maximum of the length, it should be of maximum of 10 characters, and less than that also it is accepted. And now let me insert values into it. For that, I'll be writing the query as insert into, and next we have to give the table name, that is employee details, employee employee details, and next we have to write the values here, and next we have to insert the data. So for this, I'll be writing the employee ID as E000 and 1. Okay. So and next, coming to this employee name, I'll be writing something like Harsha. Okay. So after closing this, so uh, in this you can see, right, for employee name I have taken the value as Harsha, and the length is 6 characters, but I have given the data type as for employee name, that is varchar of 10. So here remaining 4 characters, it will automatically removed, it will automatically deleted, and the space will not be wasted here. But coming to this cat data type, if we given the if we give the length for employee ID as for employee ID, it is if we given the length that is less than 5, here it will not be automatically removed and the space will be wasted here. So that is the main difference between char and varchar data types in SQL. And also we have to know specifically when we have to use this cat data type and varchar data type. Okay, so uh, let me execute this. Yeah, it is successfully executed, and I'll show you once. Yeah, you can see the data is inserted successfully. And this is all about this video, and thank you.